Well, sorry about the dark video, but I had to show you this before it falls apart entirely. It might not last through to tomorrow morning. This is the New Speed Classic. So it's new and it's a classic apparently. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. So, you know, this is a Chinese bike. This is typically available on Amazon and places like that. It has these mouse ear 7-speed shifters at a free buy. The front derailleur is made by Peak for peak performance, more like peak breakdowns and, you know, general fail. It has die-cast aluminium or magnesium wheels, which have bearing play already, because they're absolutely in mint condition. Flat face derailleur, integrated hanger, pardon me for burping, but hey ho, this bike isn't worth a pardon because it's absolutely awful. We have nylon bushes here. These rockers are made out of thin metal. The folding mechanism is already broken. The plastic brake lever fell off just trying to ride it, and the handlebars came on the piss. So this was a brand new bike essentially. Look at that stem, that's even worse than the normal wake ones you get. Look at the casting on that, that's investment casting. It's absolute worst. It's all the shell inclusions in there. The forks on the front wheel came like this. It's the bearings, people. Front fork there's loads of flex in them. They bottom out really easily, and yeah, it's just an all-round terrible piece of junk, and it is going to die. It was completely brand new except there's a few scratches because, you know, we were really careful with this thing. You know, you don't want to, you know, like break it or anything. Because yeah, it's a really high quality. What you gonna do with that big fat butt? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. That concludes this video till part 2.